Hi, I am Imal Ashwath. Now I am going to teach for 12th standard. The chapter is matrices. Here if f of x equal to cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0, 0, 0, 1. Then show that f of x into f of y equal to f of x plus y. Here that is it is a function of x. So here we have to, that is f of y means it is a function of y. So we have to replace, here it is given the function of x alone it is given. So in the place of x you have to replace x by y. Next it is equal to f of x plus y. So here you have to replace x by x plus y. So this is the right hand side. So first I take it as right hand side, that is f of x plus y. So replace x by x plus y. So what you get is cos of x plus y minus sin of x plus y, then 0. Here sin of x plus y, cos of x plus y, then 0. Then here 0, 0, 1. So this is, we take it as RHS. This one is RHS. Next we are going to do LHS. LHS equal to f of x into f of y. Already we know that f of x. So now I write f of y. What is f of y? We have to replace x by y. That is cos y minus sin y. Then 0 sin y cos y. Then 0, 0, 0, 1. While writing the entries of matrices, we have to one time check. So we are right correct or not. We verify that cos y minus sin y, then 0 sin y cos y 0, 0, 0, 1. Now we are going to do the LHS, that is f of x into f of y. So first you have to write f of x. That is f of x is cos x minus sin x 0 cos sin y, sin x cos x 0, 0, 0, 1. So sin x, then cos y minus sin y, then 0 sin y cos y 0, 0, 0, 1. Now you have to write here from this here, that is here first row first column. So cos x into cos y, cos x cos y, then minus sin x sin y, minus sin x sin y. Next here are the next one, this one first row, then second column. So cos x minus cos x sin y, then next minus sin x cos y, minus sin x cos y. Then next first row, that is 0 into 0, 0. Then first row third column, first row third column. So that is 0, then 0, here it is 0 into 1, 0. Therefore here it is 0. So first row we complete. Then we go move to the second row, that is cos sin x cos x, then cos y, this one. So first row, second row first column. So sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Then next sin minus second row second column. So minus sin x sin y, then cos x cos y plus cos x cos y. Then next here this one, the second row in the third column, that is 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0. Therefore 0, again 0. Then next third one is 0 into 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. Then this one 0. The last one we got 1. So 0, 0, 1. So next here cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. So here also cos x cos y, therefore we have to find that this is a cos formula. Here it is minus means cos of here it is minus means cos of x plus y, cos of x plus y. In the place you are getting plus, then here minus, so cos of x plus y. Here minus sign is common, therefore I take it as outside minus, so plus, so cos a sin b, sin a cos b, therefore that is sin of a plus b, that is sin x plus y, then 0, then this one sin x cos y, cos x sin y, therefore this one sin of x plus y, then here again that is minus, that is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y, therefore what you get is cos of x plus y, then 0, 0, 1. So now we got, that is f of x plus y. So RHS equal, this is LHS, therefore LHS equal to RHS. Therefore we proved that f of x into f of y equal to f of x plus y. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.